pa akong event mamayang gabi sa Manok-Manok Plaza. That is the Manok-Manok Day. So meron pa akong guesting. And of course, I would like to thank po si Kapitan Danilo de los Santos and the rest of the barangay officials of Barangay Manok-Manok for inviting me. It's really an honor po to be able to perform sa ating barangay, especially sa aking beloved barangay Manok-Manok, Manok-Manok President. Also kay Cons Charlemagne Villanueva, thank you so much po kasi siya po yung in charge na mag-assist sa amin. So, thank you so much po talaga sa pag-appreciate ng talent ko and of course sa pag-invite sa akin. And guys, so galing lang po ako sa gym, nag-cardio po ako kasi para meron lang po tayong energy mamaya. Kasi syempre kailangan po natin ng movement. Guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-vocalization or mag-vocal warm-up, which is the most important talaga na preparation before performance. Kailangan din po nating alagaan ang health natin para maging physically fit. So, ito po yung meal ko of the day. Now, I'm about to eat my energy supply. Diba? Healthy lifestyle. Of course, guys! Alam nyo na kailangan ko ng supply ng kape sa katawan ko. Kailangan nyo ng sistema ko. So, of course, kailangan ko ng energy booster para mas madagdagan yung motivation ko to perform. Kasi ayoko namang mag-perform ako ng rock na walang energy. So, kailangan ko ng energy. And for that, kailangan kong pumunta sa favorite place kong kapihan dito sa Boracay. And of course, hindi lang place, pero ang sarap talaga ng kape nila. So, pupunta tayo doon para mangape. And that is in Lovay. See you there! Mamma mia! May cappuccino, pero ice matcha ang paborito ko. Pero joke lang yon, cappuccino at matcha ang gusto ko. Ang mga staff ay hospitable, ang venue ay instagrammable, kaya punta ka. Erase ko po yung makeup ko and papalitan ko ng para sa magiging makeup ko mamayang gabi. Ready na tayo, guys.
Wake up in the morning, feeling fine. Lipstick on and it's my time. Mascara popping, eyes so bright. Foundation smooth, I'm feeling right. I love makeup.
Alright guys, so ready na po yung makeup natin, yung glam natin. So ako lang po yung makeup sa sarili ko. As you can see, naka-t-shirt lang po ako kasi meron pa po kaming stage rehearsals and sound check. So hindi ko po muna sinuot yung costume ko, pero nag-makeup na po ako kasi medyo matagal pa akong gumalaw. So nag-makeup na po ako para hindi na po mag-rush mamaya and para bihis na lang po yung gagawin natin. Guys, so nandito na po tayo ngayon sa Manok-Manok Plaza and I'm very honored to be part of this event. So I'm really excited. See you guys later. Nag-chill muna dito guys habang wala pa yung performance natin. Hey guys, so ayun nga po, soundcheck tayo ngayon. Sa banda guys, ako pala. moment, this next song that I'll be singing, this song is dedicated to my father, Israel Asister. Everything's good and it's great. Why do I sit away till it's gone? Oh, tell you I know I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love. But I'm up at night thinking I just might lose it all. Please stay. How much I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. Okay, so tapos na po ang aming performance. Hello guys! So, kakatapos lang po ng performance namin. Kasama po si Kuya Tukodos Reyes.
Shaira.
Very supportive Kuya.
Anytime,
Dahil
dear.
nagpuyat talaga siya guys.
Anytime.
Kasama rin natin yung driver natin, pinakamagaling na maglalaro ng basketball.
Yes!
James, idol
Napakabait.
yan.